Welcome to this week's Clarion Energy News. I'm Elizabeth Ingram, Content Director for Clarion Energy. Here are the top 3 stories we've been following. Number 3, the Tennessee Valley Authority in the U.S. has released its final Integrated Resource Plan and associated environmental impact statement, which evaluate options to meet the region's power generation needs over the next 20 years. TVA is updating its 2015 IRP due to continuing dramatic changes in the utility industry, such as abundant lower-cost natural gas, decreased cost of renewable generation, and increased focus on energy conservation efforts. Laura Campbell, TVA Vice President of Enterprise Planning, said, "The 2019 IRP emphasizes the importance of flexibility in our generation in response to the changing energy marketplace. TVA looked at a wide range of possible futures, and flexibility is important in every case to ensure a reliable power supply." The IRP study results show there is a need for new capacity to replace expiring or retiring capacity. Solar expansion plays a substantial role in all futures. Gas storage and demand response additions provide reliability and/or flexibility. No baseload resources are added, highlighting the need for operational flexibility in the resource portfolio. Additional coal retirements occur in certain futures. Energy efficiency levels depend on market depth and cost competitiveness, and wind could play a role if it becomes cost competitive. Number 2, as Europe faces one of the most extreme heat waves in its history, businesses are being urged to address their power and cooling equipment contingency plans. Any business reliant on power and cooling to function is now at higher risk of failure due to extreme temperatures. France recently hit its highest temperature of 45.9 degrees Celsius, and the summer heat wave is set to return in full force by the middle of July across the UK, according to weather forecasters. In a worst-case scenario during a heat wave, a company could face downtime as a result of IT equipment overheating, UPSs coming alight, electrical systems failing, power outages, and other events. On-site power company Aggreko stresses that while many companies believe they have a contingency plan in place, often this is not regularly updated and therefore may pose further risk in the event of an emergency. Any recent change to personnel or a building extension, for example, could jeopardize any existing plan in place. Nick Osborne, Aggreko's sector sales manager for data centers, said any type of plant failure can cause untold problems for the facilities managers that run them. It is crucial that a contingency plan is carried out meticulously in calm conditions, as health and safety risks are often heightened when people are trying to work under pressure. The temperatures we are seeing and expecting in the coming months are high risk. And now our top story. On July 1st, Public Service of New Mexico filed a plan with state regulators for how it will get to 100% emission-free power by 2040. The utility reviewed 4 scenarios, all of which involved the early retirement of the San Juan coal plant. Each scenario was modeled for reliability and cost. The utility considered how it could most effectively meet the directive of the Energy Transition Act, which was announced in March. The act requires the state to get 100% of its energy from renewable sources by 2045. The system PNM recommends involves using the energy from a 280 megawatt gas-fired power plant, plus 350 megawatts of solar capacity, 130 megawatts of battery storage, and 140 megawatts of wind power, which already exists. The battery storage will represent 5% of the total capacity of the system, which is the highest percent penetration in the nation according to PNM. PNM says its plan will save customers on average $7.11 per month in the first year. While some may question the decision to build new gas-fired power when the goal is to be 100% renewable, Ron Darnell, Senior Vice President of Public Policy with PNM, explained that the utility views the gas plant as a bridge, during which time it expects battery costs to go down and battery technology risks to improve. The expected life of the gas-fired power plant is 18 years. The week of July 22nd in Portland, Oregon in the U.S. is your best opportunity to learn about all things hydro. Our High Division International event, the world's largest event for the hydroelectric power industry, officially kicks off July 23rd and offers opportunities for education and entertainment. Visit hydroevent.com to learn more and to register. That's it for this edition of Clarion Energy News. I'm Elizabeth Ingram. Thank you for watching.